guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to show you guys something that I just got. I said that I was going to do this in a, whoa, don't mind this hair. It's gross right now. And I'm just kind of like kneeling because I wanted to be like a little bit close to the camera. So I want to show you guys something that I just got a little while ago. It's been like about a month. So I got, after, oh gosh, 5 years, a new phone. I finally replaced my phone, after 5 years. So I got the iPhone 11 Pro Max. This is it right here. This is what she looks like. I'm going to take her out of the case and show you guys. This case is awesome, by the way. I'll show you that right now too, because it's this plasticky material, but it's thick. Like, you can hear that? It's really thick plastic. And then the front is a case. Like, this is what snaps together. So I'm gonna take that off quickly. And it's just, this is a clear cover as well. So there's plastic right here that covers the whole screen. So there's a screen protector that goes underneath this guy. So I purchased the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I got the white one. I was gonna go with the rose gold, the gold, whatever, but I had the rose gold last time with my iPhone 6. That's how old of a phone I had. It finally took a complete crap on me. We just happened to be in New York City. We went over Christmas. Well, not Christmas, but like December before that, to see the tree and blah, blah, blah. So I was using my phone. I had, obviously over time, your battery turns to shit. That's just what happens. Your battery turns to crap. So I was using my phone, and then realized we use my phone to use GPS. And if you don't have a battery, you're not using your GPS anymore. So yeah, I decided that, well, crap. So Gonzalo was with me and he said, are you gonna do it or no? And so we did it. And I walked out with the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And I have to say, this thing is like the shit, because my battery lasts so long, like so long. I'm not even used to it. Like, I can go 2 days and this shit will last me all day long. So I'm just gonna quick show you like what's on it. So right now I will show you the front screen. Oh, go away. So this is my front screen. It's just like a little cool design. And then if I use the face, because you know, it uses the face to open up. We have me and Gonzalo here. This was us on Christmas. So I don't know if you guys saw my what's on my iPhone previous video, but we're gonna do a what's on my new iPhone. So for this one, you guys know, if you watched my previous video, I hate having apps in the front screen here, just because I feel like you can't see the freaking picture. If you have a background, all your apps are covering it. So all of my apps are right here at the bottom, if it would zoom in. There we go. So I have my messaging apps, social media, bills, and then just like utility apps, like stuff like that. So if I click in here, and you're gonna see my phone, my FaceTime, my music, you know, things like that, in my notes. And if you go to the second tab, this is where I have my Instagram, Snapchat, Netflix, my YouTube email, Prime Video, Hulu, Disney Plus, Storyfire, Nuvaring, and all that like social media stuff that you would always use is in this file. I'm basically in this file all the time. Next file is boring. It's just, you know, my 2 credit cards that I pay for, my student loans, and then my regular banking checking account. And I just name that bills. And then this one here is just like regular, the calculator, my photos, my camera, my exercise app, find my iPhone, things like that. But in general, this thing is pretty sweet. Like, I think that the durability of this is great. It's a pretty weighted phone, so this is definitely like good, decently made product. I did this on a whim because, as everyone knows that hangs out with me, I am the worst person to spend money. Like big purchases. I am terrible at making huge, big purchases. Like, I have the Apple Watch to go with this. I've paired it. This is what my Apple Watch looks like. You can't really see it, but whatever. Okay, I have the Apple Watch. Come on, focus. Okay, so I have the Apple Watch. That took me about 6 months to buy because I just couldn't bring myself to buy it. I've been due for a new phone for like the past 3 years, but was never able to just like buy a new phone because I just couldn't. I couldn't take myself to just buy the big purchase. Honestly, when this went through, I wanted to throw up. Like, I was shaking. I was like, I need like a freaking Xanax or something. I'm freaking out, right? So I was just like, I'm still stressing out over this thing because it was so much money, but it was definitely worth it. I think Apple products are very durable. I think that I've never personally had a problem with an Apple product. I've had an iPad in the past that never gave me issues. And none of my iPhones ever gave me issues. I've been having an iPhone since the 4. So I've never really had a problem. I've never even broken them. I've never like broken or cracked the screen. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed with Apple products and I love this phone. I think it's great. If you're in the market for a new phone, dropping the money on this is well worth it because I feel like it's going to last a very long time. My iPhone 6 lasted me 5 years, so I can just imagine how long this one's gonna last me. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video on my new phone. I know that I like watching videos on what people's thoughts are on their tech because it's a big purchase and you want to know if it's worth it or not. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.